Welcome student. In last lecture we have seen how to create a resource master in MS Project 2013. This lecture will be looking for the assigning of resource to the activity. So to assign the resource, you click the resource tab and click on the assignment. So you see all the resources which we have created in a resource master displayed here. To assigning resource to the activity, you have to select activity first and then you select resource. You can select multiple resource. So see, if the cost is there in resource master, automatically it will be calculated based on the duration. So again you have to select another activity, you select the resource. Next activity, you select resource. So this way you can assign work and material resource to the activity. Student, we have seen there is a third resource called a cost resource. So we have created one resource named as a traveling as a cost resource. When we assign this resource to the activity, we will get access to enter a cost. Because this is the overhead expense. So you cannot set in a resource master. It depends on the nature of activity and duration of activity. So you can close the window when your assigned resource process complete. You can see here there is a column you can add as a resource name. So you will get all the resource you have assigned to each activity. It can be displayed here. There is a shortcut. If you want to assign resource to this activity, you can do this by this way. If you select in a drop down, it will be assigned to the particular activity. So student, this way we have learned how to assign the resource to the activity.